Hi, I'm Joe Locke. Welcome to our beautiful harbor in Hong Kong. Now I will start sharing with you some topics in Tai Chi and Qigong which are rarely talked about. Today we are going to explore this topic which a lot of people are interested in, is how Qigong works for health and healing. In the last episode, we briefly talked about what is Qigong. Now I repeat a little bit in case you missed the last episode. Qi means energy. Gong means the benefits, the effects after a lot of hard work. So Qigong means the accomplishment from the practice of energy. Qigong mainly works to clear blockages. Now there are many other sideline benefits. We'll come back to these later. Now we concentrate on clearing blockages. In the clearing of blockages, there are two areas. One is internal. The other is more physical. We talk about the internal, which is more complicated. Also in the previous episodes, I've talked about that Qi comes from birth. It's like blood. The flow of Qi is automatic, coming from birth. Everyone's born with Qi flow. The Qi flow works according to a process in the Chinese medical theory called the midnight noon ebb flow. That means the Qi flows automatically in the body in a 24-hour cycle along the 12 meridians. The Qi flow in each meridian nourish one particular organ in that particular meridian. So the regular Qi flow or the cycle along the meridians ensures the normal functioning of each of the 12 organs inside the body. The normal functioning of the organs upkeeps the immunity system in the body, so the human body heals itself better and remains healthy. Now, this Qi flow coming from birth is automatic. It runs inside the body every day. So if the Qi flows automatically, why do we have to practice Qigong? Because the Qi flow is automatic. Oh yes, we do have the necessity to practice Qigong because this flow inside the body may get disturbed. There are many reasons that this Qi flow are disturbed. Now firstly, humans have emotions. There are fluctuations in emotion. This causes the flow inside the body become irregular. So the flow along the meridians may stagnant or blocked. So the blocking of the Qi flow causes disease and illness, and sometimes cause further emotional fluctuation. If we have stress, the stress depresses the liver. Then the flow in the liver meridian becomes abnormal. It's slowed down or does not flow so smoothly. Then we will have liver troubles. So we'll have further stress or depression. And there's another side effect of the liver. So we may have digestion problem. So if we go to a Western doctor, the doctor will apply treatment to the two symptoms. One is the stress. The other is this side effect, the digestion problem. So they may have some medication for these two problems. Now, if you go to a Chinese doctor, the diagnosis may point straight to the liver. So the Chinese doctor may put a pin into an acupuncture point along the liver meridian in order to irritate the acupuncture point along the liver meridian to activate the flow of energy along the liver meridian to make the flow smooth and normal again. To heal the liver, and the liver coming back to normal function may heal the stress, reduce the stress, and the liver, the digestion problem caused by the malfunctioning of the liver will be gone. So the body heals itself due to its restoring of the immunity system. So that's how acupuncture works, how the Chinese medicine works. But no, I am afraid of needles. I don't like to be pinned into my skin. So I rather practice Qigong. So this Qigong works along with the Chinese medical theory. It's about making the flow inside the body normal and regular again, to boost the immunity system so the immunity system inside the body can heal problems arising from any abnormal flow of energy caused by disturbances like emotional fluctuation, eating of the wrong food, bad drinks, not enough sleep, etc. I hope it's clear that how blockages are created inside the body to produce disturbance to regular internal qi flow. So how the Qigong works is we use a method of Dao Yin, direction or guiding of energy to run through the body's meridians and channels to regulate or bring back to normal the normal daily cycle of the qi flow inside the body according to the midnight noon ebb flow. Not so much of creating the movement's own qi flow along the meridians, but rather we clear or we smoothen up any blockages to let the qi to flow at a normal speed, at a normal manner, according to the normal daily cycle flow, in order for the organs inside to maintain a balance of strength so that the immunity system in the body is well kept to protect the body itself and heal the body from any disease or illness. Okay, that was the internal side. Now we come to the physical side of how Qigong can clear blockages. Now, sometimes we have pains all over the body. The pains are caused either by the lumps of muscle pressing onto each other, pressing on the nerves, so we feel pain. Sometimes we have over-twisting of the joints or misalignment of joints to produce pain. We talk about the first one first. Now, we have sometimes bad habits like bad sitting posture, bad sleeping posture, or some overwork of the muscles, or the body being banged on to produce some bruise. Wherever we have these muscle pressing onto the nerves, we will have pain. Now what we do in Qigong, we will have the Qi running along the fascia. The fascia is the layer in between lumps of muscles. We have a lot of different lumps of muscles inside the body. All along the different lumps of muscles in the body, we have fascia in between. So that's why we have the Qi to separate the two lumps of muscle where they're pressed on, and they have these blues, the clogged blood in between the muscles. And once the passage is through, the Qi can go through, the blood can flow through, the liquid flowing along the fascia can flow through, the bruise will be gone, and the pain will be gone. So by practicing Qigong, it's very good for the relief of pains. Pains all around the body, for overwork, for improper posture, etc. And also, we have the over-twisting of the joints to make sometimes misalignment if we keep twisting the joints in an improper manner. Some Qigong, like my Phoenix Qigong, we have steps, we have some movements to take care of the alignment of the joints. Some misalignments of the joints can be pulled back into alignment through the practice of these steps and the movements. In the steps and in the movements, we will have the Qi coiling around the tendons and the ligaments to soothe the pain in the joints. So that's how Qigong works to clear blockages.